So hey guys, what's up? So welcome to World News 20 News channel. So let's talk about keeping toll to 1 lakh would be a good job according to Donald Trump. Peak US death rate likely in 2 weeks, says Trump. Deaths worldwide exceed 35,000. Faced with the grim prospect that 2 lakh Americans could die even with aggressive action to slow the spread of the coronavirus, President Trump extended the guidelines on avoiding non-essential travel, staying away from work, visiting bars and restaurants, and gathering in groups of more than 10 for at least another month. We can expect that by June 1st we will be well on our way to recovery, Trump said on Sunday evening. We think by June 1, a lot of great things will be happening. More than 7 lakh cases of the coronavirus have been officially declared around the world since the start of the pandemic, according to tally on Monday based on unofficial sources. Over 35,000 people have died as per the AFP tally. The total number of the confirmed coronavirus cases in the US stood at 1,43,025 and 2,509 people have died in the country, according to data from the Johns Hopkins University, showing his countrymen that he expects the United States to be on its way to recovery by June 1st. Trump told reporters at a televised White House news conference that he had to extend the local distancing measures till April 30, based on advice from his two top public health advisors and members of the White House Task Force on Coronavirus, Dr. Deborah Birx and Dr. Anthony Fauci. They demonstrate that the mitigation measures that we are putting in place may significantly reduce the number of the infections and ultimately the number of the fatalities. I want the American people to know that your selfless, inspiring and valiant efforts are saving countless lives. You are making a difference. The modeling estimates that the peak and death rate is likely to hit in the 2 weeks, Trump said during his second Rose Garden press conference on the coronavirus outbreak. Trump predicted the decision would save hundreds of thousands of lives in an apparent moving of the political goalposts to account for the fast worsening the U.S. pandemic. 2.2 million people would have died if we didn't do what we are doing, the president said. If we can hold that number down to 1 lakh, it is a horrible number. Maybe even less. We all together have done a very good job, Trump said. The new April 30 date marks yet another reversal of the position on the pandemic by the president, who last week made it clear he did not pick the Easter date, April 12, based on the data, but because it was a beautiful timeline. Shrugging off his rollback, Trump claimed Sunday that Easter on April 12 had only been an aspirational date. We can expect that by June 1st, we will be well on our way to recovery, he said. Major disaster declaration has been notified in nearly 24 states, in addition to Trump declaring a national emergency a week ago. So if you like the channel, so kindly subscribe to it.